Hello. Today we're going to be looking at some of the ways that you can find additional nonfiction items using the Read More Like This feature in Encore. So first off, we're going to do a search for coral reef. Okay, and so there's about 430 results for coral reef. You can see that it is loading the cover art. It tells you what day it was, what year, sorry, not what day, what year it was published, and that kind of thing that's useful for determining whether it will suit your needs or not as a researcher or as someone who's just curious about coral reefs. So if we click on, we'll say the coral reef from the Fact on File series. This is from 2005, and as we scroll down, it looks like only one library owns it. And the subject is Coral Reef Ecology, Juvenile Literature, Coral Reefs and Islands, Juvenile Literature. Now you can click this link, the subject line, and so now you have 124 results of the Coral Reef Ecology, Juvenile Literature subject. And so it's just kind of feeding you different results, a different mix of options specifically about coral reef ecology. And so you'll notice that these results are fewer than our original search for coral reefs. So if you're trying to narrow things down in your search, this is a good way to go about doing that. So if we say about the ocean, now this might give us a broader context. Yep. So here, if we scroll down, you can see the subject line, subject grouping rather, says ocean juvenile literature, marine animals juvenile literature, marine biology, coral reef ecology, that kind of thing. If you scroll down a little bit further, again, we're getting some of the syndetics add-ons that we saw in a previous video. It gives you the You May Also Like category. So top picks, it looks like the We Both Read series is what it wants to focus on. So space and pets, but there's also books on ocean life and sea creatures and sharks. Similar authors, so a lot of times juvenile nonfiction authors will write several books in a series or on a particular category. So if you find a favorite one, or if your young student or your child finds a favorite one, this can be a good resource. So for example, Mary Pope Osborne, if we click on that, she writes the Magic Treehouse series, which is a very popular series for young people. And so some of those are fiction books, and then some of them are nonfiction companion books, so the Magic Treehouse research guides. And so these are something that is useful to consider as well. I hope that this video has been helpful. Thank you.